Hey everyone, today we're comparing two popular Tapo cameras, the TC70 and the TC72. Which one should you buy? Let's find out. The biggest difference is video quality. The TC70 shoots in 1080p Full HD. That's pretty good for most homes, but the TC72, it records in 2K. That's 4 megapixels with way sharper details. If you zoom in, you'll notice the TC72 keeps things clearer. Now here's where things get interesting. The TC72 has smart AI built in. It can tell the difference between people, pets, and cars. It even knows when your baby is crying. The TC70, it only has basic motion detection. That means more false alerts from shadows or moving trees. Both cameras can rotate, full 360 degrees left and right, and 114 degrees up and down. That covers your whole room. But the TC72 has motion tracking. When something moves, it follows it automatically. The TC70 can't do that. You have to control it yourself through the app. Storage is pretty similar. The TC70 holds up to 512 gigabytes on a memory card. The TC72 also holds 512 gigs. Both work with monthly fees, but the TC72 supports cloud storage if you want it. Everything else is almost the same. Night vision up to 30 feet, two-way audio, works with Alexa and Google. Both have privacy mode and they're the same size and shape. The TC70 is cheaper, it's great if you're on a budget, and the TC72 costs more but gives you better quality and smarter features. So, which one wins? If you want basic home security, get the TC70. But if you want crystal clear video and smart detection, spend extra for the TC72. It's the better camera overall. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.